Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
Tell them first lady, cause right now I usually take the big sausage because you know some of them sausage thing, you know.
It's meat.
Yeah.
Today, family, we have sausage, cucumber, rice, and some sauce.
Yeah.
You know we do, the Game Dash sauce.
Always.
We love it.
Nice.
And then I wanted to add some, you know, peppers just to throw it on there. Make it look pretty.
Nice.
So I'm not doing an outfit of the day today. We're just going to dig right in. I'm trying to get my hair done. Trying to figure out what kind of hairstyle I want to do next.
Ask the family.
And then I have to figure out which one to ask them to choose from, you know. But until then, guys, I will make sure I come back with the outfit of the day. I want to get my hair done so I can look cute. I mean, I like my hair being in a bun.
Always cute, son.
I like my hair being in a bun, but...
family. Today... Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
There we go. See it?
We like our sausage to be nice and...
Dark. It's not burnt, so don't say that. It's not burnt. Dark. That's how we like it. If you like your sausage dark, calm it down. But look. Why first lady choose to give it this big one? First lady. You feed the big sausage now. Take a bite of my big sausage. Her mouth full. Her mouth is full, family. So how you doing?
You can have my sausage. Pork sausage.
Yes, is that pork? Oh shit, good thing I didn't buy a piece, you know?
Actually, I'll let you too, you know. No, I wouldn't do that.
Family, see that? Wow.
We just feel like eating something quick and simple.
Something quick and easy.
And because we had all the ingredients, it's like, why not?
Why not go for it? This sauce is good.
Look at this.
I'm gonna put it in my age, good.
Oh, it's a seed.
You want more napkin?
Sure. It's a seed.
You feel it different?
Oh, sure. Probably, yeah.
Family. I'm gonna tear this up. I'm so hungry, yo.
Listen.
What are you gonna tell them now?
We're hungry.
Yo, damn, I love that crunch. If you do MMR.
I prefer ASMR. I prefer these cucumbers than those big ones. Those big ones are too watery.
They are. I don't care what you want to get. I love it. I can hear it.
And this is jasmine rice. It's the best.
Why can't be Shanice rice? Good. First day they making me eat jasmine rice. Not Shanice rice, huh? Jasmine rice tastes good though.
What?
Try it. Wow.
The food is fresh off the stove.
Hot day, yeah?
Really and truly, all of our food is hot off the stove because I don't like my food to be cold.
Yep. I don't like to wait. Take a bite. There you go. Good. Wow.
I was gonna cut it up, but I said no.
Don't cut up.
We hungry.
Don't cut up. Oh, just like that. Yo, you be killing the sauce, B. Real son, you be killing that shit.
I didn't even have all the ingredients and it still tastes good.
They didn't ask you that. They did not
I'm
ask you
telling
that.
them.
They say the sauce look just the same every time you make it. So that's the same thing I be telling you about. Yo, the New Year's, you gotta stop chatting your business. Yo, family, when the 2022 kick in, or 2021, whatever way, 2022.
You move far bigs.
Hey, for real, family. Y'all didn't ask anything, and she always telling y'all. Nobody have to know if we have leftover this, if we eating, you don't have all the ingredients.
The family want to know.
They never ask. They say every time you cook that sauce, it look the same, and you gonna open your mouth and say, "Oh,
So,
my gosh."
listen, question. You got a problem?
Yeah, man, you chat too much, man.
You want to solve it? So we can solve it, no?
I know it's all right.
I'm not plucky. I'll fight you.
I messed her up, family. I messed her up bad. Oh my god. This one was epic.
Epic.
Are you still confused?
Still confused.
Person said, she not jumping in. Hell no.
Hell no, we won't go.
What is it? What you were going to do? You want to drop your phone, girl?
I sure didn't.
Or you want to drop your phone?
I sure didn't, because my phone was new. Even if it was old, it's still my phone.
This is delicious.
Question, family.
Awesome.
Do you guys... Wait. Do your shopping online, or you guys go to the store for Christmas? Like Christmas shopping and stuff like that?
Yeah. I know where this is going. Right.
Where's it going?
No, actually, but then, if you do it, when they order, do they go pick it up at the store and they make it come to their house? Right? No, that's what you asked? What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
No, I just want to say because I'm curious. But that makes sense, because who wants to order something online and they have to get in your car and drive go pick it up? That's silly. Unless it's free to have it delivered to the store.
Yeah. I have no idea. If I order something online, I want it to come to my house.
Well, that is true. But if you're charging a shipping and handling to ship it to your house, and then it's free to ship it to the store, I'm going with the store. And then what I'll do is I'll make sure that whatever I'm doing to go pick that day, to go pick it up, and if the store is like a little bit out of my area, I will set my schedule around that store. Like, okay, what other stores are around that store that I can go shop? So I'm not just driving different. Yeah.
Smart. So that's bad money. Body free.
Well,
Chat too much money sometimes while you eat. Sometimes you need to close your mouth.
what?
Close your mouth. That's
Don't show off enough. These people can't save you. Mind your talk.
They can't save me.
You gotta try watch yourself.
The sausage is nice and it's just the way I like it.
Yeah.
I'm eating first dirty sausages. So
This is Shanice's rice.
this is Shanice's rice and Shanice's sausage.
And candy and jasmine.
Yeah, I ain't eat no jasmine. First they said I can't eat no jasmine. So I'm eating Shanice's rice. And Shanice's sausage. That's you.
True.
So how y'all been doing, man? How y'all week? You know what I'm saying? Good? Another day? Working. You know what I mean? Getting ready for Christmas.
Yep.
It's the same. Somebody gotta do it.
Tamia is gonna be 14 this year. And this is the first year that she did not put some form of Barbie something on her Christmas list.
Yeah.
Usually she has Barbie something every year. Okay? This year she didn't put anything, and I said, Mama, you didn't put anything on your Christmas list for like a Barbie clothes, Barbie shoes, whatever, Barbie kitchen. She was like, I'm good now. My collection is perfect. I was like, oh, okay. Do you know those bins that you use to put away like your Christmas decorations? Those bins at Walmart? She had 2 of those bins filled of Barbie stuff, Barbie clothes, Barbie house, Barbie pool. Every single thing you think of Barbie is filled. And you think she gonna throw them out? She said, oh no.
Yep.
She'll have them forever.
She ain't throwing them joints out.
She love her Barbie stuff.
I like her playing with the Barbie too. Cause she's gonna play with Barbie till she's 30. Alright.
I didn't stop playing with Barbie dolls until I was 15, guys. 15 years old.
So you rub up on her?
Yep. And I still play with them because I play with her sometimes.
Yep. Yeah.
I keep on tasting
What?
some crunchy stuff and I love it, but I don't know where it's coming from.
The Chinese rice one?
Chinese rice bud. It was the most expensive rice in the store, you know?
Real?
Chinese rice.
Expensive money. Can't buy Chinese rice. What's the name of that sausage, yeah?
I can see the word, but I can't say it.
Oh. It's good as hell.
It was good. It's a smoked sausage, but they call it like it's a P word. I cannot say it, but I can see it. That ever happened to you?
It's a P word, family.
You can see the word in your brain. Like you can visualize it. You can even feel it on your tongue, but you just can't say it. If I remember, I'll let you know.
Yeah. I just want everybody to be safe out there. You know, holidays coming, the holidays are around and people's crazy. Careful, you know what I mean? When you go on the road. You know what I'm saying?
I cannot wait until my mom comes down here.
Oh.
I cannot wait.
You're gonna be turning up.
You're like, turn up.
Excuse me?
You're full now.
Enough about me not no more than I'm such as. I might as well want no more greens by you.
We ate a lot though.
You eat a lot. You don't eat none of the food right here. None of the food you eat. None of the food you eat. What is that? What? Family. I don't want no more cucumber. She can't do that.
Come over here.
So how you put your rice over here?
God, messing up my presentation.
How you put your rice over here then?
I did not put my rice over there. You did.
Oh
You took your spoon and you moved it. And guess what? I had the camera to prove it.
No, you would like this already. They can't see.
I had the camera to prove it.
Shouldn't sausage bad man.
Come on. I fried it first. Then a really dark color. And then I put it in the oven to finish it off.
Bust it open.
Yo, you love it.
She bust it open in the oven. She love the little freaky sausage.
You love to tell my business. Ain't got chat about me.
Family, she love bust the sausage open. She like the freaky chicken and freaky sausage them. Yeah. Wow. What?
It's really good. The cucumber. It's good. It's so refreshing. So refreshing. Especially when you have such a heavy, not, when I say heavy, I mean like the sauce, the sausage, the cucumber just makes up your palate.
Oh, sorry. Thank for everybody for the nice comment about the hair. First day they hooked me up. Yes, thank you. Alright, it's getting old now. Like the first day they said, every time your hair get old, mine get old too.
What's that?
TikTok man.
Oh, Sasha?
Woo!
Full.
I'm getting full now? I got these right here. Yeah.
Good thing I put 2 sausages.
Huh?
Good thing I put 2 sausages for myself, cause I knew.
Here's some. Creep up on one.
We had a lot of rice here.
Yeah. I'm gonna drop this in there. Let it sit.
You did?
I felt it. I felt the drip. I felt the drip, son.
You were doing good for a while.
Yo, this shit go back fast as fuck. I just
I still got caught by the one.
yeah, I have to say, cause yo, the family. You know how much you think I do to get my shape up for my hair? Comment down. Let me know, please. I want to see if everybody's on the same page right here. To get my first thing for my thing or something. Okay, let's see. To get my they can't see right. Look, to get that only shave my side of my head. How much I think for my side of my head to get shaved? Comment down, please. I want to know. Okay. Word of freedom now. I'm going to that back tonight. Right. All right. Good.
I'm full.
Me too. I'm done. I'm gonna eat the rest later. Okay. Family. First lady, this one is good. Family, getting the opportunity is not a big deal. It is a big deal to convert the opportunity into goals. You hear what I just said? I'm gonna say it again.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say it again. Getting the opportunity is not a big deal. It is a big deal to convert the opportunity into goals. I know y'all can relate to that one.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Could have it with how you gonna use it.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh.
What?
We tore this food up.
Yes. All right. We shared with y'all, you see? And y'all didn't eat anything. See, that's why we be telling y'all when we don't share. Say, oh, you eat up all the food and you don't get none. You see? Now we share, y'all didn't want none. Look how much we have left. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the greedy couple, you know? And they are First Lady.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.